In the modern quest for health and well-being, we find ourselves standing at the intersection of age-old wisdom and cutting-edge scientific advancement. The battle between modern medicine and ancient remedies is as complex as it is fascinating. But in this age-old struggle, who is truly winning? Let's begin our journey by acknowledging the invaluable contributions of ancient remedies. For thousands of years, human civilizations have relied on nature's pharmacy. Herbal concoctions, acupuncture, and Ayurveda, for instance, are practices that have shown resilience through the ages. They boast a holistic approach, addressing not just physical symptoms, but the mind and spirit as well. Ginger for nausea, turmeric for inflammation, these remedies drawn from nature are still widely recognized and utilized today. However, as humanity progressed, so did the realm of medicine. The discoveries of penicillin, vaccines, and advanced surgical techniques have transformed how we perceive and treat diseases. Modern medicine, with its roots in scientific research and technological innovation, has drastically increased life expectancy and reduced mortality rates. It boasts rigorous testing, accurate diagnostics, and effective treatments, offering solutions with a level of reliability that ancient remedies often cannot ensure. But the relationship between ancient and modern practices is not merely adversarial. Instead, we are witnessing there's growing interest in integrative medicine, which combines both schools of thought, seeking to harness their respective strengths. For example, mindfulness meditation, a practice with ancient roots, is now being integrated into modern therapeutic approaches for stress management. Similarly, herbal supplements are often included in health regimens alongside conventional treatments. This fusion is not without its challenges. A primary concern with ancient remedies is the lack of standardized testing and scientific validation. While many natural treatments are beneficial, others may be ineffective or even harmful without proper evidence and regulation. On the other hand, modern medicine, despite its rigor, often faces criticism for its side effects and its tendency to treat symptoms rather than underlying causes. So, who is winning this battle? Perhaps the question isn't about winning, but rather about harmonizing. As both ancient wisdom and modern science continue to evolve, there is a growing recognition that one can complement the other to create a more comprehensive healthcare paradigm. Ultimately, the real victor in this dynamic interplay is the individual who benefits from the best of both worlds. By combining the enduring insights of ancient practices with the precision of modern medicine, we can create a more robust, patient-centered approach to healthcare. As we look to the future, the goal should not be to choose between modern medicine and ancient remedies, but to appreciate and integrate their unique contributions. By doing so, we can aspire to a holistic approach that embraces the full spectrum of healing possibilities, ensuring that we are, indeed, all winners in the quest for health and longevity.